video, we will see an overview of View. View is an online scientific workflow system where data scientists all over the world can perform data analysis using series of different workflows connected together at various levels of complexity. Let us see an example to make it more clear. We built a workflow at level 0 that contains an addition workflow which takes in two input values, does an addition operation, and produces an output value. We also have another workflow called multiplication, which takes in two input values and does a multiplication operation and generates a new output. So in order to make this workflow even more complex, we build a workflow at level 1 on top of the level 0 workflow, which contains both addition and multiplication and produces an output value. So then the workflow at level 1 takes in three input values and produces a single output value. In order to make even more complex, we build another workflow at level 2 on top of the level 1 workflow, which contains a workflow that does both addition and multiplication and generates an output value, which is passed as an input to a division workflow, which does a division operation and generates a new output value. So then the addition and multiplication workflow that comes from the level 1 is used as a single workflow component in level 2 workflow. So then the workflow at level 2 contains four input values and one output value. Let us see an example of how the actual execution happens if you provide 5, 4, 3, and 9 as input data to the workflow at level 2. It produces the following output. So the 5 and 4 then is added together and the sum 9 is multiplied by 3 in order to produce 27, which is our intermediate result, and 27 divided by 9 produces an output value 3, which is the final result of our workflow. So then the power of scientific workflow is to hide the complexity of different levels as sub-workflows through our view system. How to make it general or abstract to be ready for using it at level 2 and beyond. Please visit viewsystem.org. Thank you.